Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by removing all batteries or the rechargeable pack from the controller. Inspect the pack and AA cells for corrosion, swelling, or leakage. Use fresh AA alkaline batteries or a known working rechargeable pack for testing. If the controller still does not power, check the battery contacts for dirt or bent springs. Clean contacts with a cotton swab lightly moistened in 90% isopropyl alcohol. Dry fully for 5 minutes and reinsert batteries to retest power. If power returns, the issue was batteries or contacts, and you are done. For wireless controllers, verify console and controller are powered on and near each other. Press the console sync button, then press the controller sync button within 10 seconds to pair. Replace batteries if the controller blinks but fails to pair after multiple attempts. For wired controllers, test a different USB cable and a different USB port on the console. If a PC recognizes the controller, the console USB or firmware may be the issue. If none of these steps work, proceed to the internal inspection steps on the next slide. Gather a T8 security screwdriver, spudger, soldering iron, and replacement battery pack or connector. Remove the battery pack and 6 screws to open the controller shell carefully. Disconnect the battery cable and inspect the plastic housing and wire pins for damage. If pins are loose or corroded, replace the connector or reflow solder joints with a soldering iron. Install a fresh rechargeable pack or new AA battery terminal assembly when internal repair fails. Reassemble the shell, tighten screws, reinstall batteries.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.